Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Lamborghini key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. You're also going to need a flat blade screwdriver. About this size works best. Go ahead and pop out your key blade. Then take your screwdriver, place it right here, and just gently push and twist this top part up. You want to be gentle because you can tear up this little valley pretty easily. Now on this portion right here, just take your screwdriver, put it in here and just separate the two halves like that. There's your insides. Go ahead and take out the old 2032 battery. Your new one goes in, positive side facing downward. This clips here. And then this slides in like so. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit this thumbs up button.